festive season, silver in high demand as prices surge 20 to 25% in a month and premiums rise from 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per kg. Delhi NCR jewelers report limited stock forcing buyers to pay top rates. Shivani Bazar's reports from the nation's capital on the festive rush and the challenges buyers and jewelers face amidst the global supply crunch. Take a look.
It's the festive season, and while the sparkle of gold continues to attract buyers, it's silver that's stealing the headlines this year. Not just for how much it's selling, but for how little of it is available in the global markets. A global supply squeeze has pushed up silver prices sharply and created a shortage that's now being felt on the ground, from refineries to retail counters. I'm here in Delhi NCR, where jewelers are saying that they're facing mounting pressures to keep up with both demand and cost. Silver prices have jumped nearly 20 to 25% in the past 1 month as global demand outpaces supply. A surge in industrial use from solar panels to electric vehicles has deepened the supply crunch. The Silver Institute projects a global shortfall of over 140 million ounces this year. In India, jewelers are one of the largest consumers of silver, and they say they are finding it increasingly hard to replenish stock, with premiums rising up to 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per kilogram.
There is a lot of demand in the market, into retail, into wholesale, a lot of demand, huge demand. So the difference is, and supply is very less, you know. There's literally a scarcity from the miners and from all the places where they source it from. And there's huge demand in the market for jewelry, especially for the coins, gold bars. So I think that's why the premium is a lot right now. If a jeweler is holding up some particular stock, he will only sell his stock once he's getting it from the back. So it's not possible for him to sell something and which if can't refill it, so he won't sell it ahead.
As gold prices hovered near record high, many small investors and festive buyers have turned to silver. But with a sharp rise in prices and demand, jewelers say the metal, which was once seen as an affordable alternative, is slipping out of reach.
Right now the premiums from the actual rate is far more. There's no supply. So you're stuck in a situation where the rate is what it is. You want to pay for it.
It's not just festive demand that's driving the silver rush.
The main difference is the price cost. It has been jumped at least 70 to 80% on the silver articles. So definitely the demand for the middle class people has been nil now. This is the only occasion they can think of buying something in a coin or maybe Lakshmi Ganesha to buy as an investment for their children or for the future. But this year they have facing a problem because the price has been increased a lot.
The craze is not just for physical silver. Silver ETFs have also seen strong inflows this quarter, and that has meant greater demand for the underlying asset. Analysts warn the imbalance could last through 2025 unless global mining output rises. So while the festive rush continues, it's clear that this season shine comes at a higher cost. With global supply lines stretched and prices on a boil, silver may remain the most sought after and hardest to get metal in 2025. In New Delhi with Vijay Akhilesh Singh, this is Shivani Bazar for CNBC-TV18.